Hi, welcome back to my new extended workbench. Here you can see I've got all my equipment nicely set up. This filter I'm designing at the moment uses 4 power rails, and hopefully I can make a video to show you how you can mix the 4 poles to get different shapes. I've got a CAD mic and a Kona video card here which I've already shot a bit of video for. I've got some nice lighting, cheap as possible but really good. LEDs, and it goes down the side here to light up my soldering station. I can finally got my fume extractor permanently installed, which is amazing. There's even extra LED to go under the bench here to light up my components. And my original plan was to run this PC down here, but A, it runs Windows, and B, I've got all my apps on the Mac, so it really kind of ruins the Feng Shui. So my plan is to build a little shelf up here to hold the laptop. So, to make all these dreams come true, we needed a dock down here. So, let's unbox her and see what we got. So, there we go. We have the Sonnettech Echo 5 Thunderbolt 4 dock, which hopefully is going to solve all my problems on the bench here. So, let's just... Oh! That is actually a lot more dinkier than I thought it was. It looks really cute. I've been looking at it so much on the web page, it looked bigger, and I've got the Echo 11, which is a bit bigger than this. It's a really nice size, so you can charge your laptop. There's an old school USB as well on the back there, or the front, whichever way you look at it. And there's 3 Thunderbolt ports on the front and the power for it. Very nice indeed. And then they always supply really good power supply for their equipment. No dodgy little wall warts. Really chunky stuff. Like it a lot. So let me just quickly tidy up. Yeah, I can't get over how small that is. Hang on. So this is the bag I would normally take my laptop around in, and yeah, look at that. It fits in there, no problems at all. I mean, that will make an excellent portable dock. And so the other thing that I need to make my dreams come true was this piece of wood. £12 from B&Q. I think they saw me coming. So the idea now is to cut just to the right size where we can slide it in here and the laptop can sit on there. So we will test the microscope by zooming into the instruction booklet that comes with the Echo 5. Doing a great job, no problems whatsoever. And now I'm just going to transfer all the videos so far I've made for this video onto an external drive. And look at that, 3 gig. Barely an inconvenience. Excellent. And yes, it's charging beautifully from the Echo 5, so I can keep my power supply in my backpack. Woohoo! And if we go and have a look at their products, click on the Thunderbolt section, PCIe card, that's what I use for my RME. I'll leave a link below. And oh, there seems to be a couple of new docks. So this is the Echo 5 we've just installed. Cute little thing. I've got an NVMe in my studio. This Echo 20 Thunderbolt 4 Super Dock looks really nice as well, actually. It's got 4 ports and an SD card reader on the front. More ports on the back. And it's got a HDMI as well. So at the moment I'm having to connect the HDMI and the Thunderbolt charging port to the Echo 5. So with a box like that you can save yourself 1 cable change. Oh, this is new as well. Triple 4K display dock. Let's have a look. Wow. Yeah, if you need displays, this is a really neat solution. Nice gigabit Ethernet as well. plenty of old school USBs on the back. And they've also got a new Echo 11. I have an Echo 11 Thunderbolt. This is the Echo 11 Thunderbolt 4 HDMI dock, which guess has a HDMI port as well. Yeah, really nice. That's excellent. So yeah, very good. Actually, this dock here looks really nice. I think this, and you can put an SSD in there as well. Interesting. Well, if I feel the need to upgrade, I might consider looking at trying and get one of these. And then the little one can stay in my backpack. Wow, I have to say this is totally life-changing. Just having the keyboard here now is just so much better. So much more space. I was having to reach over like this, and it was really getting really annoying. So the dock has totally transformed the bench. Quite incredible, really. I've had absolutely no problems with it. I'm doing this DaVinci project on this external drive, and everything's fine. Also the sound card and my dongle for my wireless mouse, and the keyboard is all connected to the dock. And having the dongle closer to the wireless mouse is fantastic, because these Kensingtons really don't like it, and even that bit of difference closer has really helped it. So fantastic. Highly recommend the Echo 5. And if I ever feel the need to upgrade, that Echo 20 Super Dock looks amazing. And then this one could live in the bag, because I didn't think it was going to be suitable for taking around with you. But yeah, great stuff. So I'll catch you on the next one.